Dah.
Dah.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. We are from group 7 and we will present our problems related to vertical form fill machine. So these are our members, which is Ong Ting Yi, Nur Alia Husna, Nurul Azah, and me, Nur Shazwani. Next. So here are our contents, which will cover problem statement, background information, factors of the issue, types of packaging, and solution in terms of safety and health and environment, and effect from the issue, and last one, lifelong learning. Next. Okay, so we will start from problem statement. So Eozena Group is one of the largest producers of dairy product in North Germany. They are producing butter, butterfat, cheese, sweetened evaporated milk, as well as other ingredients and product with a milk base. Although they are already quite recognized for the production of products of great quality, it is not denied that the company also has problems. One of the problems they have ever faced is the problem of pinholes on the packaging of sweet concentrated milk products. They are pouch-shaped. This problem is also suspected to be caused by the vertical form fill seal machine, which may have its own problems. Next. So a brief background information. So the first one is vertical form fill seal machines, which are commonly used to package various products into bags, pouches, and other containers efficiently and quickly. The machine produces a bag from a roll of packaging film, stuffs it with the product, and then seals it. Heat, pressure, or mixture of the two may be employed to seal an object. However, like any machine, VFFS machines can experience problems that can affect the quality of the packaging. The next one is the keyword of pinhole. A pinhole is a pore-like penetration that is present in paints and coatings due to the entrapment of moisture, air, solvents, or other fluids. Pinholes are small craters that form in the applied product. Pinholes are considered to be more dangerous than uniform corrosion damage because it is more difficult to detect and predict them or conduct any design mitigation. So here are the picture of the vertical form fill seal machine, and also this is the picture of the pinhole. Okay, next. Okay, the factors how the pinhole can happen. Okay, the factor that can cause a pinhole issue in packaging related to the vertical filling form machine can be attributed to various factors, including the first one is machine setup and environment. Improper machine setup or operating in an environment that deviates from the specified condition can lead to these issues. Factors such as incorrect ambient temperature, humidity levels, or other environmental factors can affect the performance of the machine and potentially cause pinholes in the packaging. The second one is film quality and integrity. The quality and integrity of the packaging film used in the vertical filling machine play a crucial role. Film defects such as thin spots, weak areas, or microscopic tears can result in pinholes during the packaging process. Additionally, changes in film material or using untested films can also contribute to pinhole issues. Next. Okay, the third one is the sealing parameters. Inadequate sealing parameters can lead to pinholes in the packaging. Insufficient of heat, pressure, or dwell time during the sealing process can result in weak seals or incomplete closures, allowing pinholes to form. Proper calibration and adjustment of the sealing parameters are essential to ensure effective sealing without compromising the integrity of the packaging. And the last one that will be highlighted of the factors of pinhole is machine malfunctions. Issues with the vertical filling form machine itself can contribute to pinhole problems. Malfunctions such as faulty wiring, sensors errors, or worn-out parts can disrupt the sealing process, and this will result in pinholes in the packaging. Regular maintenance and inspection of the machine are important to identify and address any potential machine-related problems. So next, I will pass to the next presenter.
So next is types of packaging that can cause pinhole issues. So the first type is porous materials. Porous materials such as paper and some types of plastics are more prone to pinholes due to their structure. Pinholes can occur during the manufacturing process or during handling and transportation. Next, aluminum foil. Aluminum foil is another material that is prone to pinholes. Sub-millimeter gauges of aluminum foil invariably contain pinholes, and the foil can crack during the illumination forming process and on the blister packaging machine. Next, flexible films. Flexible films, such as those used in food packaging, can also be prone to pinholes. These films can pinholes easily during the manufacturing process or during handling and transportation. So next.
I will continue with the solution. For the solution for safety and health, first one is hazard identical and risk assessment. Engineers should conduct through a hazard identical and risk assessment for the packaging process and machine. This is involved from the identify the potential hazard and implement the control to eliminate that. By address the problem and hazard, the engineer can contribute to a safety and working environment. The second one is provide the safety training and education. Engineering should advocate for a comprehensive safety training and education for employee operating and maintaining the packaging machine. This is included by the cleaning instrument, manual, and training for the material that highlight safety operating process. For if do regularly safety brief and refreshing training section, it should be a good contact to enforce the safe practice. The third one is the occupation health. Engineers should have an obligation to consider the impact of the packaging process on the worker health. Engineers should design a ventilator system and noise reduction measure to control and protect the worker health. The fourth one is the health and safety regulation. Engineering should ensure that the packaging system and the process comply with the relevant health and safety regulation and standard. The fifth one is the incident reported and investigation. As an engineering, we should establish protocol for incident reporting, investigation, and collection action. This include the encouraging employee to report the near-miss accident or safety concern and conduct through the investigation to identify the root causes. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
So for solution in terms of environment aspect, so the first solution is we can use more environmental friendly packaging for the sweetened condensed milk product, which is, for example, usage of recyclable materials such as polyethylene to minimize waste. The second solution is use packaging material that have higher resistance. For example, use multi-layer pouch such as polyethylene that is laminated with aluminum layers to improve the material's resistance towards puncture in order to minimize pinhole problems. And the third solution is improve the QA and QC system. Engineers should ensure that the quality of the product is sustained, and they need to control the production quality in order to minimize error. So when the error is minimized, so the waste produced, we can reduce it. So lastly, the solution for environment is efficient waste management. So engineers need to make sure that the waste from the rejected product are managed properly, and the recyclable materials should be sorted in order for reuse and recycle. So next. So effect of the issue. So effect from the pinhole issue is first, there are 5 effects, which is firstly is food may be exposed to oxidation. The second one is food may be exposed to moisture. The third one is a lost client's trust due to product quality deterioration. And the fourth one is product may be recalled. And lastly, waste of food products and packaging materials. So next. So for the effect of food may be exposed to oxidation and moisture. So the pinhole form on the packaging material may provide a space for oxygen and moisture to come out and come in into the food packaging. So the movement of oxygen and moisture may promote oxidation that can cause color changes to the food product and may cause rancidity. And the moisture can cause increase in water activity that can promote microbial growth. Next. For the 3 effect, which is lost client's trust due to product quality deterioration, product may be recalled, and waste of food products and packaging materials. So the product that has low quality due to the issue of pinhole will lower client's trust, and the product may be rejected by the client. So when the product is rejected, so the product will then need to be recalled, and we need to rework. And if we cannot rework the product, at a worst case, it will need to be disposed. Due to that, the rejected product will will be need to dispose, and it will increase the waste, and also lastly, it will lead to environmental issue. So next, for the
So for the conclusion and lifelong learning, it's important to identify and eliminate the cause of pinhole issues in packaging to ensure the quality and safety of the product and understand the materials that are more prone to pinholes. This can involve a review of all package forming and sealing processes to locate and eliminate the cause of the defects and take steps to prevent pinholes from occurring. By using high-quality packaging materials, optimizing the packaging process, manufacturers can reduce or eliminate pinholes in packaging, ensuring the safety and quality of their products. So that's all from us. Thank you.